Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. I just want to wish everyone a very happy Mother's Day. And to celebrate this special holiday, today I'm partnering with Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It makes food so much tastier. And today I want to share with you my mom's secret recipe, Zha Jiang Mian. She used to cook for me at least once a week just because I love it so much. Now let's take a look. We're going to transfer in the soybean paste, sweet bean paste, and Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It brings out the umami flavor. It's the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen, as you can use it to cook, marinate, sprinkle, and serve as dipping sauce. It will instantly become your favorite seasoning. Also add in the rice wine. The soybean paste that I'm using today is not too dry. If you're using the kind that is really dry, you can add more water or rice wine into the mixture. To make the sauce, in a pan over high heat, add in the pork belly. And in the past, my mom has also used other types of protein, like chicken, tofu, or even just eggs. And they're all super delicious. And stir fry until golden brown, about 10 minutes. I might be biased, but I think my mom is the best cook. And she cooks the best noodles in soybean paste. To me, it is the taste of home. Take out the pork belly and set aside. In the same pan with the remaining oil, over low heat, add in the onion, ginger, scallions, cilantro, and star anise. Cook until they are lightly browned for about 5 minutes. Take out the aromatic. Leave the oil in the pan. In the same pan, over medium heat, add in the sauce and let it simmer for about 10 minutes and constantly stir. Now we're going to return the pork belly and let it cook for another 5 minutes and also constantly stir. Turn off the heat and set aside. Okay, so now we're gonna cut some toppings. Julienne the cucumber, Julienne the carrot. You can use any vegetables that you like, but for my mom, she usually uses cucumber, carrots, and bean sprouts. So talking about bean sprouts, to blanch it in a pot of water, bring it to a boil. Blanch the bean sprouts for about 20 seconds. And we're gonna cook the noodles until al dente for about 5 minutes. Noodles in soybean paste is a very popular dish in China. Every household cooks it a little differently. And this is how my mom cooks it. It brings back so many childhood memories. So I hope the noodles and soybean paste will also bring you and your family lots of joy and happiness this Mother's Day. So good. Wow. The noodles is absolutely delicious. It is cooked until al dente and it's mixed in all kinds of heavenly goodies like the crunchy vegetables and the really crispy pork belly. It's just so delicious, so heavenly. I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see everyone again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now.